Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Publisher Tutorial, and in this video today I will show you how to make a booklet in Microsoft Publisher. So let's get started. First I open Microsoft Publisher here, and this is Publisher interface, and I go to click here in more blank pages to create the booklets. I find here more blank pages size here, and I create here the folder in booklets. And when I click the folder in booklets, I find here the standard booklet size here, pages size. This is the A4 size, and later booklet, and I think the sizes are here. And I click here in A4 booklet 5.8 to 7 and to 8.268, and I make a 4 pages booklet here. I click here in yes. Then my booklet pages are set up here. The pages are 1, 2, 3 and the 4. This one is first cover page, and this is the inside page, and this is the back cover pages. You can also create these booklets in another way. Just go to the page design menu, then you click here in size, and then you click here in create new page size, and you can click the layout type in booklet, and then you can change here in page wide, height, and of course change margins, guidelines, just top, outside, bottom and inside, and then you click here in OK. So viewers, you can now create any booklet in this way. I hope you will enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.